I received this lovely milk plant maker that I'm excited to use. I'll be showing you step by step how it works. It's very simple to use. The Milky Plant makes fresh homemade plant milk easy and fast. You're in control of what goes in your milk, so no added sugars, preservatives, or additives. Just 100% plant milk of your choice. From almonds, cashews, oats, hazelnuts, hemp, coconut, anything you desire, you can drink fresh at home. Unlock the water tank and fill it up with drinkable water until the max line. Place the water tank back and lock it back by clicking the button. I'm going to make cashew milk, so I'll be adding a scoop of organic raw cashews. You need a total of 80 milliliters of ingredients, so 1 scoop is enough. Place the lid on top to lock everything in place. Hold the start button for 2 seconds. Then hold the Milky Plant button for the machine to start making your delicious milk. The milk will start pouring down once you hear the beep. It's exciting to see the milk coming out of the machine, and it's so white. Finally, rich, creamy plant milk ready in minutes. I'm loving this glass bottle that it comes with. You can keep the milk in the fridge for another day if you like, which is very convenient, especially if you're adding it to your morning coffee or tea. You can get creative with the recipes and add some fruit if you like, blueberries, strawberries, bananas, etc. To clean the Milky Plant machine, you run a cycle without ingredients with the cleaning brush that's provided. You just add water and press the cleaning button and the machine cleans itself. This can be done at least once a week.
So good.
You might wonder where the pulp goes. It is stored in a filtering sleeve and can be used for future recipes, like baking cookies or cakes, or for composting. Thanks for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.